Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Hey, we've got a scenario here. This may not be for everyone. It may turn your stomach a little bit, but we want to share it with you because this is a scenario that we run into all the time. Julio, let's get you right out of the way, my friend. Tell everybody where they can find all these tools and products.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio. All right, here's what happened. The wife of the owner of this vehicle saw a mouse in the vehicle. They contacted us because we detail their vehicles for them. And I said, get yourself an ozone machine. And he got one just like this, similar to this. We have many of them. And he ran it in the vehicle. And of course, as you know, ozone will basically take care of any living organism that's in the vehicle. Bugs, spiders, it doesn't matter. Dust mites, mice, whatever's in there. And well, 2 weeks later, they started to smell a very bad smell. Let's get busy. So somewhere in the van is a dead mouse. We don't know where, and we are going to try to find it. We are picking the scent up mainly from these two vents here in the center. So we're going to get busy and see if we can find our dead little rodent and fix this van up so it doesn't stink anymore, because it does not smell good right now. So while we're searching for it, there'll be no volume because there's no volume with the endoscope camera. Let's check this one first. All right, what I did was I hooked up the camera to our lithium battery, so we have all the power we need, hours and hours and hours. Well, looky there. All right, we found it, as you've seen in the video. Now we've got to try to get it out of there because my hand is way too big to get down in there. So we are going to use our grappler and see if we can get him that way. And that's the thing about these ozone machines that we use. If there's anything alive in your vehicle or your house, as far as bugs or animals or spiders or mice, it will kill them because that's what it does. It kills organisms, germs, mold, black mold, whatever. So let's see if we can fish this thing out of there. All right, what I have to do is get a piece of wire because our little grappler will not make that bend, and see if I can get a wire down there to hook him. The wire worked, and now we are going to try the grappler and see if we can get him. I'll pull the camera out a little bit, get a little more field of vision. Now what you're about to see is real life when you see this come out. There he is. And stinky.